Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian language school. Today we will explain how to use nouns in reflexive form in Norwegian. Learning Norwegian, like any new language, comes with the challenge of understanding its unique grammatical rules. Among these rules is the concept of using nouns in the reflexive form. While the notion may seem daunting at first, it becomes more accessible with a bit of study and practice. In our discussion today, we will walk you through how to use nouns in reflexive form in Norwegian. Understanding reflexive form. First, it's essential to grasp the concept of a reflexive form. In grammar, a reflexive form indicates that a noun is both the subject and the object of a sentence, essentially acting upon itself. This often involves reflexive pronouns such as myself, yourself, or themselves. In English, for example, in the sentence, she taught herself to play the piano. The reflexive pronoun herself is used to show that the subject of the sentence, she, is also the object, herself. In Norwegian, the reflexive form is similar to English and is expressed using the reflexive pronoun sei, sei, which could translate to himself, herself, itself, themself, or oneself, based on the context. However, unlike English, the reflexive form in Norwegian is less flexible and is typically used with certain reflexive verbs, such as å vaske seg, å vaske seg, å vaske seg, to wash oneself, å kle seg, å kle seg, å kle seg, to dress oneself, å se seg, å se seg, å se seg, to see oneself. Examples of reflexive form in Norwegian. Here are a few examples of sentences that use the reflexive form in Norwegian. Hun vasker seg, hun vasker seg, hun vasker seg. She washes herself. Hun kler seg, hun kler seg, hun kler seg. She dresses herself. De ser seg i speilet, de ser seg i speilet, de ser seg i speilet. They are looking at themselves in the mirror. In all these examples, seg is used as the reflexive pronoun that links the action of the verb back to the subject. Making nouns reflexive. A noun can also be used in a reflexive way in Norwegian by adding it after the reflexive pronoun. For instance, hun vasker seg i ansiktet. Hun vasker seg i ansiktet. Hun vasker seg i ansiktet. She washes herself in the face. Hun tar på seg kjolen. Hun tar på seg kjolen. Hun tar på seg kjolen. She dresses herself in the dress. She herself takes the dress on herself. Here the nouns ansikte, 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 the face, and kjolen, 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 the dress, are used reflexively to specify the action. Using nouns in the reflexive form in Norwegian is a critical aspect of correctly speaking and writing in this language. Although it may seem challenging at first, understanding the use of the reflexive pronoun, sei, and how to use it with nouns can greatly improve your Norwegian language skills. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.